Hello, I will briefly be explaining the first law of thermodynamics using a perfect biological example found in everyday life, photosynthesis. In order to properly understand the first law of thermodynamics in the context of photosynthesis, it is vital to recognize what this law means. The first law of thermodynamics, in short, dictates that energy cannot be created or destroyed in any system, but that the energy could only be converted into different forms. In other words, the energy before and after an event must be equal. The equation with this law states that the change in internal energy equals to heat and work exhibited in the system. Now that this law has been established, what does it have to do with photosynthesis? Well, photosynthesis is a system in which a plant draws energy from the sun's rays of light through its chlorophyll and into its chloroplasts, and with many mechanisms, this energy helps the plant convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. It is important to notice that plants do not create energy on their own, but they only transform the light energy from the sun into food energy. With this context, the first law of thermodynamics explains that in photosynthesis, the energy that is absorbed by the leaves in a plant cannot exceed the amount of energy of the absorbed light. For example, if 500 units of sunlight energy strikes a leaf, no more than 500 units of energy can be held by the plant as carbohydrates produced via photosynthesis. This energy is merely taken through light reactions, and the sunlight's photons are used to excite the electrons in photosystems 1 and 2 of a plant so that NAD+ could be converted to NADPH later on.